Good morning and welcome to this early morning Pilates class. The idea is to do this in your bed just as you're waking up to help you feel energised for the rest of the day, but really it's just about trying to get you up without feeling really stiff and like everything is just seized up. It's almost so that you can jump out of bed and feel really energised, because when was the last time that happened? So let's get started. So we're going to start off lying down, because the chances are if you're in bed, you're lying down on your pillow right now. So I've got my little bed set up here. I'm just going to come on down. I'm just going to start by wiggling the fingers and wiggling the toes. Getting a little bit of blood flow. And take a few big deep breaths in and out. And then we're just going to turn the head from side to side. And we're not really thinking about stretching because it's too early in the morning for that. We're just trying to get a little bit of movement, so we're waking up the neck, we're waking up the feet. And then just bending the knees, you're taking the feet onto the mattress. And we're just going to let the knees go from side to side. We're just swishing, so we're waking up the lower back. And then just bring the knees into chest. Wrap your arms around them. You just squeeze your knees as hard as you can into your chest. Then we're going to straighten both the legs out, so we're reaching towards the end of the bed. And then bring them in again, so bring the knees in, wrap the arms round, squeeze, and then straighten the legs out. Going to bring the hands up, so you're going to take the fingertips up towards the ceiling. And then we're going to exhale, open the arms out to the side. And then breathe in to lift them back up. And then exhale out to the side. And breathing in to lift them back up. We're going to keep the hands up this time. We're going to reach one hand up a little bit higher, so you're peeling that shoulder blade off the mattress. Let it come back down. The same to the other side, reaching up, warming up the shoulders. Let it come down. And we're going to go one more each side. Let it come down. And then just opening the arms out again to the side. And then just bending the knees again, so taking the feet onto the mattress. We're going to do some marching here, so we're just going to lift the feet. We're marching, and I want you to start getting a little bit faster. So we're starting to build up a bit of blood flow. We're warming up a little bit, going a little bit harder again. And I want you to start kind of throwing your heels into the mattress. You're kicking quite hard. And then we're going to straighten one leg out, bring it in. Straighten the other leg, bring it in. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Knees to chest, feet down. Knees to chest, feet down. And then you're going to come onto your tiptoes, and we're going to point the tiptoes into the floor really fast again. So we're getting that blood flow, we're waking up the body. And then let the feet slow down. That's it. Start to kick the feet up towards the ceiling. So we're bending at the knee. We're warming up those knee joints. And then let the feet come down. We're going to take the knees in once more. This time we're going to tuck the hands underneath the legs, and we're just going to pull ourselves on up into sitting. And then swing your legs round so your feet are hanging off the end of the bed, and push yourself on up into standing. I'm just going to move back so you can see me. So we're going to come up onto the tiptoes. We're going to let the heels drop. Thud. And again, up onto the tiptoes, let the heels drop. And then we're going to go really light on the heels. So we're just going to bounce through the heels. We're going to pedal from foot to foot, so you're bending the knees. We're going to add in some wrist circles. Scrunch the fingers. Let everything come back down. And we're going to start marching on the spot, so lifting the knees up. See if we can get those knees a little bit higher. Turn to the side slightly. A little bit higher again. We're getting some blood flow. We're warming up all these joints, getting rid of any of that stiffness. Let the feet come back down. Then we're going to take the arms out to the side. Let one foot come out. Bring it back. Out, back, out, back, out, back. Then we're going to reach the fingertips up towards the ceiling, breathing in. And then as we exhale, take the arms out to the side. And then again, breathing in to lift up. This time, as we exhale, we're going to bend the knees generously, sweep down as if you're going to touch the floor, lift back up. And again, exhale, breathing in to lift. And once more, exhale, breathing in to lift. Let the arms come down. Keep a little bit of a soft bend in the knees. We're just going to let the arms be nice and heavy. Let them swing from side to side. Let the momentum carry you. And then just let the arms come back down by your side. We're just going to pedal from the feet again. And then we're just going to scrunch the fingers. Shake out the legs. And you are now ready to go, and you're going to feel super energized this morning. You're going to be running downstairs to get your breakfast, and hopefully you're feeling really quite good actually, and you're like, right, my body's feeling nice, let's do this. Because this is exactly what your body needs. It needs more movement, it needs to get up, to get some energy, to get some blood flow, because that is what makes you feel energized and good for the rest of the day. And that's exactly what I do in my 12-week programme. It's to help people like you who are feeling stiff and fed up and just want to feel good again in their bodies. You get regular Pilates sessions and you get one-to-one support with me, so you can get feedback on your form, you can ask me questions, and I can help to support you. The link for that is down below if you're interested. Or if you're feeling like you want to keep moving right now, I've got another session which you can do right here, so feel free to give that a click. But either way, I hope this has made you feel just a little bit better.